Hey everyone, welcome back. Pretty much fall and summer is pretty much gone. It's full on snowstorm today. We're supposed to get 20 centimeters of snow, which is roughly about 11 inches a foot. Yeah, I'm going to try to do one more backcountry camping spot, but I don't know what the weather's like. The weather generally from where I live to out there can change like tenfold. So I'm going to see what it's like when I get there. I'm going to make the executive decision if I'm going to bother going in. And I picked up a new pillow. The pillow that I bought last summer sucks. It's not very good. I'm going to have it in there as just like a secondary pillow, just to prop me up when I'm watching movies and stuff in the back. But the other one's going to probably be my main pillow. I paid a little bit more money for it. It feels a lot nicer, so I'm hoping that'll help me. And yeah, so I'm just driving out there now, and I'll see you when we get there. Hey everyone, you want to do me a favor? Can you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the little bell icon to get notifications. Also, if you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and if you want to support me, I have Patreon. If you join Patreon, you'll get weekly updates on what I'm doing. Thank you for watching this video. Hey everyone, so I made it. I'm just in behind the Frank Slide Interpretive Center. I didn't want to go all that far back in because it's supposed to get like 10 or 20 centimeters of snow today. So I just wanted to play it somewhat safe, but I also wanted another backcountry adventure before the winter really hits, and this is all pretty much snowed in. They get a lot of snow out this way. So yeah, I wanted one final one, and yeah, I'm just gonna hang out. Not too sure what I'm gonna do. Can't do much. It's kind of snowing, so no backroad adventures. I got the awnings all set up. For now, I'll put it away tonight before I go to bed, just so it doesn't get totally full of snow. But I also want a place to just hang out without getting snowed on. So yeah, I'm just gonna hang out, and I'll see you after a bit. Right in the winter. Well, it's no surprise. It is Alberta. Never fails. Usually, like Halloween, we get snow. Like last year when I kind of first started my YouTube channel, my very first video, I actually went out to Kickaman Creek and it was a full-on snowstorm when I left. By the time I got to Sparwood, it started raining, and it basically rained the whole time I was out at Kickaman Creek. But yeah, here we go. I didn't go to the Gap. I'm here outside of just behind Frank's Slide. Not very far off the road, so it should be hard for me to get out of here tomorrow morning if it really does snow more. But the snow's coming down. Snow is coming down. I think I might swap into my winter jacket. It's a little bit more waterproof than what I have on now. And I'm going to try to dry this one out just in case I need it tonight to sleep in. But yeah, I think I know what time it is, though. It is beer 30 time. Here we go. From my last camping video, strawberry rhubarb moody. Happy beer 30 on the first winter storm of the year. Actually, not the first. It's like the second, but the first camping trip, snow camping trip of the year. This is gonna be awesome. This awning's working good, but it's proving to me that that I really need to push it in because there's a boatload of snow going in the back, and it sits on my back window, so I'm gonna have to really figure that out sooner than later. But yeah, this is ooh, that's so good. Yeah, baby, that's good. But yeah, this is gonna be my official final camping trip of the year, like out in the backcountry. From going forward, I'll probably be going to lots of provincial park campsites. Unfortunately, it's very limited to the ones that are open somewhat close to my house, unless I go farther, like up by Banff. But yeah, like Bovey Lake's open, Writing on Stone. There's two out by Brooks, which is Kickaman Creek and Dinosaur Provincial Park, which is pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna have to plan out some trips this year for winter and just utilize it, because sometimes the weather gets really bad to the point where the highways get shut down. So I'm gonna have to really plan. Hey, how are ya? See my problem? All right, I'm in the truck, kinda, sorta. I think I have Uncharted, and I have National Champions, and I have Morbius. I watched Morbius already, so I think it's going to be the National Champions. Volume up. Alright, I'm going to watch a movie, and then I'll see you when it's time to make supper. I will see you later. Hey everyone. Yeah, I just finished my movie. It was actually pretty good. And snow is still coming down pretty good, as you can see. So I think it's time to make some food. It's 4 o'clock. I'm actually kind of hungry, so I'm gonna have an early supper. So yeah, I'm going to make some supper now. Hey everyone. So it's I'm just gonna cook up a couple smokies, and then I think it's going to be, I'm gonna call her a night after this. I think I'm just gonna maybe hang out for a bit, and then maybe watch another movie, and then go to bed. So we'll see. little bit of cheese on there. It's great. Whew. She's a little chilly out right now. So awesome. It's a little chilly, but it's not bad. My hands are just getting cold because I was touching metal stuff, but alright. I'm going to eat this up and then, yeah, I'll see you then. Hey everyone, I'm back in the truck. I put away my awning. It was accumulating a fair amount of snow, so I figure I better put it away now than in the dark, because that's never a fun thing. I cleaned up my supper dishes, and yeah, I think I'm just going to hang out in the back of my truck for the rest of the night and watch a movie. I might unload some footage, and I'm going to talk to my girlfriend at some point later. So I will see you in the morning. All right. Have a good one. Good morning. Wow. I'm glad I brought this sleeping bag because, yeah, it was a little chilly last night, but the sleeping bag kept me toasty. Alright, well, ever get my butt up, and I'll probably have to brush my truck off, and yeah, I should get out of here. Alright, I will see you on the inside of my truck. Have a good one. Well, here I am on the outside of the truck, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but yeah, we got a fair amount of snow last night. Well, I have to brush this off so I can get going. Alright, I'll see you in the truck. Holy moly, there's a lot of snow and I couldn't get it all off. I'm gonna feel like a jerk. But I just don't have my other really long brush to get the top of my truck, so well, I'm in the truck. Wow, it did snow a lot. Hopefully the highways are okay. I need a coffee, but I'm going to close it out here, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.